We've had major changes in 2011 with the new General Assembly. So how did that affect what you found in your ratings?
Well, it affected things quite substantially, and primarily in the context of what legislation actually passed. The new laws that will be in effect and a lot of the policy changes that were made by the General Assembly. What we saw particularly in comparing this year's legislature to prior year's legislature, and especially the one that just immediately preceded it, was a leadership in both chambers that came into the legislative session with a real focus on considering and passing business-friendly legislation, and really responding to the concerns of the citizenry and business leaders across the state to enact new laws that would help to create a more business-friendly climate in North Carolina. And from what we have seen, that certainly seemed to be the case with what they did.
When we're talking about business-friendly legislation, what are the types of things that encompasses?
Well, if you look at the policy issues, first of all, things like tort reform, medical liability reforms, environmental reforms, regulatory reforms, removing and limiting in a thoughtful way, in a meaningful way, restrictions that hamper the ability of businesses to be productive, to be profitable, to create jobs, and those types of things. And so we saw a number of major initiatives, particularly in the arena of tort reform, environmental regulatory reform, and those types of things that were passed by the General Assembly. And then secondly, just generally the attitudes and actions of lawmakers toward the concerns and interests of the business community.